We all know it's been hot here. Very summer-like conditions, unseasonably warm weather, and for some in western Oregon yesterday, it was record-breaking heat as well. Take a look at the conditions. 95 was a high temperature in Portland yesterday. We saw several records at least tied, if not broken, in the Portland metro area. Head out to the Dalles. It was 99 there. Corvallis, you got to 93 degrees yesterday, and that heat continues all the way down into southern Oregon. But you notice those 90s, they kind of skipped over Eugene. We topped out right there at 89 degrees. And what happened is we got some really strong winds out of the southwest yesterday afternoon, strong enough to bring that Pacific air in through the Coast Range and right here into Eugene. And there it was. Our temperature stopped right at 89. Not the case for Roseburg, though. You managed to get up to 96. The hottest spot in the state was Medford, where you got up to 102 yesterday. And for central and eastern Oregon, it was back into the low to mid 90s there as well. The coast continues to be the place to go to beat the heat. High temperatures there holding in the low to mid 60s yesterday. Now, we may not have gotten to 90 in Eugene yesterday, but that 89 degrees is still 10 above average for this time of year, and just 7 shy of a record. 96 is our record high temperature for September 11th, and that goes all the way back to 1975. So it's been hot, and again, this is still the 6th hottest summer on record for Eugene, and those records go back to the late 1800s. Looking over to eastern Oregon, some thunder showers starting to push in there. I do not expect those to progress any further to the west. Here in the valley, it's mild. Temperatures are in the low 60s this morning, but we are starting out with that marine layer here all the way into about the I-5 corridor. Winds to the south at about 7 miles per hour, and that visibility at the full 10 miles. So should be an easy commute into work or school here today. That high pressure is still in control of the Pacific Northwest. That's keeping our skies clear with the exception of that marine layer. And the reason why we've seen that marine layer this morning is because that high pressure continues to push a little off to the east, and as it does, we start to see that onshore flow return. Also, we have this area of low pressure down in Nevada, and because it's so close to the high pressure, those two are starting to reinforce each other. It's like two gears working together, and they don't really move much or die out or get any stronger because they are just working there together. So this pattern of morning clouds, afternoon sunshine, that is going to stick with us all the way through Saturday. Next week, that's when the changes come, and we'll start to see some clouds. Could even see some rain moving in as early as Sunday. So let me show you this on the Precision Cast hour by hour. Morning clouds today, those retreat to the coast here this afternoon. We'll see sunny skies through sunset tonight, but then early Friday morning, those clouds do return, and then we'll see those break up again Friday afternoon, and that pattern just continues through Saturday. So for those of you along the coast, mid to upper 60s, you'll see those sun breaks on the way this afternoon. Winds holding from the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. You'll see dry conditions through Saturday, but again, Sunday could see some light rain showers moving in. Then those are going to move through about every other day here early next week. The Umpqua Basin, you're looking at your high temperatures getting back into the low 90s again today. A few brief morning clouds and lots of sunshine on the way this afternoon. 91 Saturday, but then it drops to 80 Sunday and then 74 by Tuesday. The Cascades will be in the low 80s. Sunny conditions continue for you. Upper 80s and low 90s in central Oregon. You'll see changes Sunday as well with thunder showers moving through. And for the valley, mid to upper 80s, morning clouds, afternoon sun breaks. Staying in the upper 80s through Saturday, then it's upper 70s Sunday, and then we're talking low 70s by Tuesday of next week.